Hello, America! Get ready to dive back into the wildest, most unpredictable show on television. Nick Cannon here, and The Masked Singer is back for its 14th season. That's right, your favorite guessing game has returned, bigger and bolder than ever before. The lights are brighter, the costumes are wilder, and the secrets are bigger than ever. Each season we push the boundaries, but this time we've truly outdone ourselves. We kicked things off on January 7, 2026, and the energy was electric. The anticipation in the air was absolutely contagious. After a long break, everyone was ready for more mystery and fun. Fans from all over the country tuned in, eager to see what surprises we had in store. The audience was on its feet, ready to play along with TV's wildest guessing game. You could feel the excitement pulsing through the studio. This season, we've pulled out all the stops. More celebrities, more jaw-dropping performances, and more shocking reveals than ever before. The premiere was a massive 2-hour event, introducing a brand new cast of masked celebrities. Each one brought their own unique flair and mystery to the stage. From Googly Eyes to Galaxy Girl, the creativity is off the charts. The costumes are more imaginative and detailed than ever, making every reveal a true spectacle. The big question: who's behind the mask? That's what keeps everyone guessing week after week. It's the mystery that brings everyone together. Families, friends, and fans unite to solve the puzzle and share their theories. Anyone can play along. Just listen to the clues, watch the performances, and make your best guess. It's a game for everyone, whether you're at home or in the studio audience. Sometimes the clues are tricky, sometimes the voices sound familiar, but you never know until the mask comes off. The suspense is real, and the reveals are unforgettable. The premiere set the stage for our most unpredictable season yet, with 10 incredible new characters. Each one is ready to surprise and entertain you. The competition was fierce from the first note, and the stars inside these costumes are fully committed. Every performance is a showstopper. So grab your detective notebooks. Season 14 of The Masked Singer is officially underway. Get ready for twists, turns, and the most entertaining mystery on TV. Every big premiere needs a show-stopping opening, a moment that instantly grabs your attention and lets you know you're in for something special. And this season, Rita Ora delivered in spectacular fashion, making sure no one would forget this night. She took the stage with her electrifying performance of Golden, lighting up the entire room and setting the perfect tone for the evening ahead. The crowd went wild, their cheers echoing through the theater, and soon Thicke and Ken Jeong joined her, turning the performance into a true celebration of music and fun. Ken brought his signature energy, dancing and having the time of his life, his infectious enthusiasm spreading to everyone in the room. Seeing Rita, Robin, and Ken together on stage showed that our panel is more than just judges. They're a family, united by their love of music and entertainment. The stage sparkled with golden lights and dancers, transforming the set into a dazzling spectacle that left everyone in awe. We celebrated the return of the Masked Singer, the excitement in the air building as we looked forward to the mysteries and surprises to come. Rita's performance set a high bar for the season, reminding our masked celebrities that they'll need to bring their absolute A-game to impress. The energy in the room was off the charts, with fans and panelists alike swept up in the magic of the moment. This opening number was more than just a song. It was a promise of the excitement, drama, and unforgettable moments that lie ahead this season. The chemistry between our panelists was on full display, their laughter and joy spreading to everyone watching at home. The stage was set, the panel was ready, and anticipation filled the air as it was finally time to meet our first group of masked singers. The night was just getting started, and the biggest secrets, the most jaw-dropping reveals, were still to come. What's The Masked Singer without its panel of super sleuths? Jenny McCarthy-Wahlberg leads the charge, always ready with a sharp guess and infectious enthusiasm. Thicke brings his musical expertise, analyzing every note and tone. He's calm, cool, and competitive when it comes to guessing right. Ken Jeong is the wild card. His guesses are outrageous, but sometimes he nails it. He's the heart and soul of the panel's comedy. Rita Ora, our international superstar, brings a fresh perspective and a keen ear for voices. She connects emotionally with the performers and isn't afraid to challenge the others. Together, Jenny, Robin, Ken, and Rita make the perfect team. They're ready to solve the biggest mysteries of Season 14. The panel's chemistry keeps everyone guessing and laughing every week. With their unique skills, no clue goes unnoticed. Let the guessing games begin. The first face-off of the night, Galaxy Girl versus Handyman. Galaxy Girl dazzled in a costume covered in stars and planets, commanding the stage before she even sang. Her performance was stellar, strong, confident, and full of star power. The panel suspected she was a seasoned performer, maybe a globe-trotting singer or actress. Handyman brought a different energy, fun, lively, and ready to entertain. His performance was all about personality, getting the audience involved. Clues pointed to someone who builds or fixes things, maybe a TV host or athlete. After both performances, it was time to vote. Did the audience prefer Galaxy Girl's vocals or Handyman's energy? The votes were counted, and the winner was Galaxy Girl. She moved on to the next round, safe for another week. Handyman landed in the bottom group, facing possible elimination. The competition was fierce from the start. The stakes were set high for the rest of the night. Next up, a royal dogfight, Picasso versus Queen Corgi. Picasso, a pug dressed as Picasso, brought creativity and humor to the stage. His performance was upbeat and infectious, more about showmanship than vocal prowess. Clues hinted at an artistic or comedic background. The panel guessed he might be a comedian or social media star. Queen Corgi, regal and elegant, delivered a powerful ballad with poise. Her clues suggested a famous family or a long legacy. The panel wondered if she was from a political or Hollywood dynasty. After both performances, the audience voted. The winner, Picasso. He was safe, while Queen Corgi joined Handyman in the bottom group. The contrast between quirky and regal made this face-off unforgettable. The guessing game heated up as the stakes rose. Only the best would survive the night. The tension kept building. The third face-off brought spectacle. A solo act versus our first duo costume. Scarab, inspired by ancient Egypt, delivered a powerful rock anthem with commanding stage presence. Clues pointed to legendary musicians or action stars. The panel guessed rock icons or tough guy actors. The Croissants, a hilarious duo costume, sang a fun pop duet with great chemistry. Their clues hinted at reality TV or longtime public figures. The panel speculated about famous couples or musical duos. After the performances, the audience voted. The winner, Scarab. The Croissants landed in the bottom group, their identity still a mystery. The duo's charm made them instant fan favorites. The guessing game only got harder. The night's surprises kept coming. Who would be unmasked next? Two more epic face-offs closed out the night, each one more dramatic than the last, as the competition heated up and the stakes grew higher for every masked contestant. First up was the much-anticipated battle, Stingray versus Snow Cone. Stingray's costume was sleek and elegant, shimmering under the lights, and her soulful R&B performance absolutely wowed the panel and the crowd alike. The judges were convinced she was a professional singer, possibly even a chart-topping artist in disguise. Snow Cone brought high-energy fun, bouncing around the stage and getting the audience on their feet, but his vocals just couldn't match Stingray's powerhouse performance. In the end, Stingray took the win, sending Snow Cone to the bottom group and leaving everyone wondering about his true identity. Next, it was time for Catwitch versus Googly Eyes, a face-off that promised both mystery and mayhem. Catwitch, magical and mysterious, delivered a dark, theatrical pop performance that cast a spell over the entire room. The panel guessed she was a young actress or an edgy singer, debating her identity with excitement and curiosity. Googly Eyes, in the silliest costume yet, performed Turn Down for What, with wild, infectious energy, turning the stage into a party. He wasn't the best singer, but he was pure fun and chaos, making everyone laugh and cheer with his antics. The audience loved his over-the-top performance, but Catwitch's vocals ultimately won the day and the judges' votes. Googly Eyes joined the bottom group, along with Handyman, Queen Corgi, Croissants, and Snow Cone, all anxiously awaiting their fate. The stage was set for the first unmasking of the season, and tension filled the air. The competition was fierce, the pressure was on, and the surprises just kept coming, keeping everyone on the edge of their seats. The panel's guesses were all over the map, with wild theories and hilarious suggestions flying back and forth. The night was far from over, and the excitement in the studio was electric. Who would be the first to go home? The answer was just moments away, and nobody wanted to miss it. The 5 bottom contestants faced elimination: Handyman, Queen Corgi, Croissants, Snow Cone, and Googly Eyes. A second vote decided who would be the first to go home. The two with the fewest votes, Croissants and Googly Eyes. Handyman, Queen Corgi and Snowcone were safe. The moment of truth, who would be unmasked? The first celebrity to go home, Googly Eyes. The crowd gasped, eager to see who was behind the mask. The panel gave their final guesses, mostly baseball legends. Jenny guessed Derek Jeter. Robin picked Pedro Martinez. Rita went with Manny Ramirez. Ken Jeong, confident as ever, guessed David Ortiz. The studio chanted, "Take it off!" and Googly Eyes revealed himself, Boston Red Sox legend David Ortiz. Ken celebrated his correct guess, and David Ortiz laughed, saying he did the show for his kids. He wasn't a singer, but he had a blast. What a way to kick off the unmaskings for season 14. The excitement was just beginning. The guessing game was far from over. With David Ortiz unmasked, the drama wasn't over. The Croissants, saved from elimination, remained a mystery. The panel's guesses were all over the place. Jersey Shore's Snooki and The Situation, the Chrisleys, Tim McGraw and Faith Hill, or Spidey from the Hills. The clues about reality TV, family, and fame kept everyone guessing. The Croissants had everyone stumped, making them the center of attention. The premiere ended on a massive cliffhanger. The Croissants will be the first to be unmasked next episode. The anticipation is real. Who are they? Tune in next week for the big reveal and a new group of masked singers. The fun is just beginning. Get your guesses ready, America. The Masked Singer is back and better than ever.